to continue our discussions between myself and the Prosecutor General about the actions that the United States is taking to assist the Ukrainian authorities in holding accountable those responsible for the atrocities, for the war crimes that the entire world has seen. The United States is sending an unmistakable message. There is no place to hide. We and our partners will pursue every avenue available to make sure that those who are responsible for these atrocities are held accountable.
I can tell you we are deeply disappointed in the ruling from the Supreme Court. What it tells me and what the resolve here in this room is about is continuing to do everything we can to go after and address gun violence. The gun violence that's putting law enforcement officers at risk every day, that is killing way too many of our citizens in cities like Philadelphia. So we are going to continue to do everything we can to address gun violence, to go after the most significant drivers of violent crime, which means illicit trafficking of firearms, which means ghost guns, which means drug-fueled violent crime and the gun violence that travels along with it.